Hey traders, welcome back to another video. It's me, Abram, and I'm here to break down this trades that I'm currently looking at and what I've got going on in the scene. I hope you're having an amazing week as I am. We're finally getting some movement in the charts, some clear price action. So let's get straight into it. Here, I'm going to start off with US dollar. The last week closed quite bullish, rejecting off this MA. So we've been seeing some positive move to the upside for US dollar, considering everything that's happening in the world. Last couple weeks have been a bit stagnant, not a lot of movement going on. As you can see on the daily chart, it was consolidating around these two areas. And as you can see, the MAs are up, so price action is most likely just creating higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frame, which you can now see on the 4-hour. See, on the 4-hour, we didn't see a clear break of this trend line, and we didn't see a clear break of this key level down here. So that was my sign whether it's going to reject off here, go back to this key level at the top as a resistant level, or it'll break it. And as you can see today, it broke it nice and clearly, and this is what's helped me through my GBP USD trade. This trade has been the longest trade I've had this year so far. I had this open since last week, and here I'll show you what I've been looking at and what you can take from it as well. So on the weekly, we saw the last 2 weeks closed as a shooting star. This bullish pin bar was not exactly engulfing the previous one, and MAs were facing down. We didn't see any strong bullish momentum for it to continue to the upside. Also, we do have this resistant level here. We could just put it up there. So I knew that GBP USD wasn't going to go further up, making new higher highs. So on the daily time frame, I can now show you finally what's been going on and why it's been the longest trade. From last week, I've been trading it to shorts. So Monday was very stagnant, nothing was going on, closed as a doji. Friday was a bullish engulfing, which was a big surprise to me, because I thought this was going to be shorts. Hit 61.8% here actually twice previously, so I thought it was just gonna hit D1 D2, but as you can tell from US dollar, it was a bit stagnant. Nothing really much was happening. It was just consolidating, but thankfully, as long as you've got a clear picture of what's happening in the market with your risk reward, you can tell where the price action is actually going to follow. So I wasn't on the screen for too much. I do check it every couple hours here and there and to see what's going on. Obviously, I did get a little bit excited when it came down, and I was surprised that it came back up, but not too surprised that it came back up, because it actually created another opportunity to sell, as it created a new lower high before it created the new lower low. And as you can tell, it's just about to hit my D1 target, and I'm looking forward to seeing it hit D2. With that being said, this was a nice, easy trade. I just want to show you something that actually helped me get into this trade. That is my counter trend line. I'm not going to show you the risk reward because maybe you might copy me, but it's too late anyways. This trade is done. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, follow. Any comments down below would be appreciated, and I hope you have an amazing week, and on to the next trade for next week. See ya.